Makadiko Majaman.
Yes, I am.
Where going to go, Mdale?
I was here, Singede, Hwezha was here, but I DJ. I don't know if I said the Hitman.
Yeah. Kwemi? Kubi go.
Tafara kumarasta kwedu kuhala mukuru. Anotiti jabi.
Sewa zibasi daro kuti jabi. Iko wangu na jabi kudara ona zubude.
Ndokwa takangotorera ikoko takangori generate.
Chengetedza.
Pata chengetedza zita kuti rambe. Idini zitara kucharo ndena kuchikuisa.
Oh.
So ndo pakangobva ujabi wacho.
Aso okomena wingirindi.
Ano ansata.
Uzereko wakashitangara ku?
Atangotakatiwa na wati tichikoendawo mashoko anojambi ikoko pana silver stone chikodaro tichionawo tichikura takadaro.
Alright. Yo mdarewo.
Imeitsemura ba Radio 3.
Radio 10 original.
Majemura.
Afanye kuchova pasikoroka.
Asbel.
Yakwendine mudonzo, dance noridza chete man.
But makambogara Malawi kamdarewo.
Oh. Experience nenda kuMalawi shemari rudo rundakavona. Nautari nemadhara nevadiki. There was one love, as one community. And then my Rasta Koko writer interview, they were accepted na Vamluzi. I used to Tafara na high priestess where I was Babasa. That one love which Rasta. Then I go to Malawi and that owner is Chukwadi.
Oh, kuno kwa kuna.
I think sometimes competition too much. Who were this? Who were Adidas Rasta? Who were smarter? Who you chat better on the man? Who play better music? Reggae music has no competition.
Yeah. Uda kone asha usanje tiri right.
Now na feel raw Rasta.
But you go see Rasta kama days but akauya kupokenza already.
Kufa kwa mdari kanzenda ba radio ku UK 90 jaws here. Takana skori mwana King Sounds bata Mike Youth Club.
Youth Club.
King Sounds Junior Northampton. Yes, Western Favor. Waje pakuda take over DJing man. Atana Professor Fred Zindi. If I'm only called Jaws here, but I forgot that I'm reggae chatting. There is a house, R&B and everything, hip hop. So I don't to be part of the DJ cycle. I don't want to pigeonhole. Then maybe call the Hitman.
Hitman.
Yeah, man.
No pinda base.
Yeah, pinda base.
Saka radio matanga gore.
86 Radio 1.
Radio 1 yete rona.
Radio 1.
Ni warungu basinjika.
Oh. Ayo radio wana yanga sire chikoro ivano chikoro.
Ayo yanga shirungu middle of the road play country classical music so no R&B.
Adimazano itori ne power. Adindokuna anonzano wedu terrace mapurisa.
Yeah, as you change that. We are in the studio classic 263 but Daraka it was you man knows I mean you are affluent you varungu chete saka. But akavunza maboss angu manje 89. I'll be more you batsira kufura kusiri madiri on a youth station. Sadokumbira mundu transfer kulugi Radio 3.
Yeah.
Sadokumbira nikuta my chef. I'll be more useful for Radio 3.
Right.
Mama mapinda banyana.
Eh, yani sipa kunoriza kusekes. Takuvura Radio 1 manje. So from up there. Good morning.
Chumbaita ka introduction yenyama ita radio.
Radio. Radio 3
kana kasasi kamembo ine. Kwese kana radio 1. Kasasi kenyika membo ita.
Yauza. My name is Bang Bang the Hitman Hosea Singede. Welcome to the checking zone.
Yes. Kwa urugara ubaswa.
I haven't told but most of the time kumusha ni mtimai. We're tulkurima pamusha pedi kwa Chirumanzu. Pachijo.
Chirumanziru.
Midlands ka after mvuma ka notena pa fio.
Kutango kwenda kwa wawa prison. Cannot tell that.
Wawa eri kudirigini.
Teta kuna along Mashingo Road, Chatsaka Pachaka. I think it's about 11 km from Vuma along the Mashingo Road. It's getting cheaper for you. About 21 km On the school day before I went to England, Rasta.
Yes.
In my heart, I used to dream of the motherland, African. Oh, if Roddie, Chimimba, oh, Hokoyo. Also, I'm in love with our countryman. Love with me reggae music still, but love with the soil.
And
yeah, man.
I'm gonna German, but we're not here. Tutenda Jabi. Bona Jabi ndo
Batubataniza.
Kusanganiza. Jabi, lamba mine sando zenyu ndani. Kuti sanganiza Tafara suka zenyu.
Gadi uyaba kwavo ndio utapa mbali. Kuchengetedza reggae
music.
So this is what you have done and what we have found out is me personally, I've been going around town, going into clubs where they play reggae music every time. So every time I go into a club, they're playing dancehall music. I go to this other club, they're playing dancehall music. It's basically commercial music every time I go into a club. Commercial reggae music. So I said to myself, I've got elders who have listened to reggae music from 60s, 70s, 80s, maybe early 90s. We have listened to Bob Marley, we have listened to Banwela, we have listened to Toots and Metals, we have listened to Mighty, U-Roy and everyone. So those elders, they don't have a place where they will say, let me go to this club, I will listen to the music that I have listened to for a long time. So I said to myself, let me create a place for those elders. That's how I started this thing.
Saka ipapa munopiwa mari kana munobhadharisa?
No, we're just playing music for free. The owners of the business are the ones who are keeping us alive every time.
All right.
So the benefit every time I play, because I play here Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So Friday and Saturday is basically the other stuff. So there'll be young DJs playing. But Sunday is strictly roots reggae music for the mature people.
Yeah.
So we created this place for the mature people so that everyone who is mature has got a place to go and listen to their reggae music every Sunday. That's how I started this thing.
So mukoma Hitman mukwenzwa senyaya.
Tell Congo andidi. That was my bow for Kudara my clubs. Someone is making a profit from somewhere. Do you get no percentage by
No, there are only I think about 5 places who are just supporting us so that we keep the price.
Oh, and the volumes are not like bottle stores, my bar 5.
You have got the 5 bottle stores.
Okay.
5 bottle stores, 1 butchery, and another one is a supermarket. So they are just supporting us to keep the vibe alive.
But when things start working, how things are going to my sister and I could have things I never started Panduri Zao. I think but Paul Bichana, I was word.
Yes,
that what I was thinking, I'm going to is I got intro.
Yes.
As serious as I go in, I think we must move around teaching the boss. One of one are good one and one of Teramis, one music. I think what Kasama so tender was intro. Secretary is open.
So I'm going to Vanaguen Stadium with the Magala Regato.
Said I went on ministry, man.
Sure. South Africa food.
Like now you can start going to all the what do you call them, the ghettos. Alright. But Fakose, what the Highfields, what the Glenville, what Budirigo, what which went a question, then you know the room or something.
That is in the pipeline. I think I've talked about it, maybe on the group you saw it. I've talked about it. I said we can do it on a Saturday. Like every Saturday we go to Mbare, the other Saturday we go to Mfakos, the other Saturday we go to another ghetto, but Sunday we come back to our place. So that everyone across Harare knows that
on Sunday know they must come to Tafara.
Yes, there is a place where we can listen to
right. Mataura zvamukutaura imimi mngoma imimi ndimati kunyanya ndoda kutsomana nemi and mukuda kwanei mazvano
ndichamustereki mazvano sure
kufesha kuita zvaunenge wakadhako
Richarumbira spam kashumba. Manje baumo homa drugs aiwa. Takasogonda ngudaro. Hona mu.
Yeah. Sa man uvuze ngoma Hitman. Kona na Fred Zindi na Mike Mundwa maizana.
Oh, takaona mkubwa Fred Zindi ku London, Africa Center, for Zimbabwe independence. It's always been a big brother.
What year was that?
1980 Zimbabwe independence come Nduna. So 18 April. It started Zimbabwe. Remember that go UK. But I want to Jimistin Ruchi Chiritza, Africa Center. Kuba Fred Zindi was very lovely Mkomongo from them. And we started on Facebook in the Zuru. Sakabatana, legend we have done. And Mike Mundwa, give them their props. They started this reggae movement in Zimbabwe.
Ndoka ndakazvitaurira vanhu havandi believe.
Oh, how big?
Vanhu vanobelieve kuti Africa A1 ndo yakatanga reggae music muZimbabwe. Africa A1 sounds yekumba ready yana power but avazive kuti kwangu nevamwe vanga variko
before that.
Because inini believe kuti ana Mike Mundwa na Fred Zindi ndo vakaunza Bob Marley kuno.
Chokwadi ukataura you can google it. Ndo vakaunza Bob Marley.
Saka magara ku England kuma konongana.
Ndakaenda 77 kadzoka 82. But in those years, we went prefect Koko, you got a champion boxer, amateur. But you can't be African, yes. I'm Zimbabwean. I do Tai Chi now.
Oh.
But so 3, I don't feel my child. I saw people. Super Hitliba.
Oh, do you need to sort as we mix and
I said, Sangana, because I'll try to get them in touch together. I won't be as bad.
Sakawali in Zimbabwe, my manje, Murehwa, other than Gugaramusha, Bamzilla Chiparans, Kuzora speed.
Shamari, if it does not, we will marry. Because it doesn't have to be subsistence farming. Kumusha, Burani, Shamari. Who does have no doubt? If we regard Bamutakuru, I can pass a chikoro degree or ever. Itama Parani, Itama Basa, can I retire watch Nepaskoro, Zapere Papo. But in that one goes when I was from Dishima Miki, I want to be an employer. Not an employee.
Because Dr. Joshua Ngomwakati when Dr. Joshua Ngomwakati we are fighting for the land. Nothing but the land. Vanhu vazhinji
avaziva nditakapusa iti vanapera ndo pane mari aiwa vakana uri musha they think you're suffering.
Alright.
It's been destiny from day one, Rasta.
Muri murasta here?
Of course.
Munozika nyama zvino?
Mama Rasta lito nyama ya King Sons man monogara zena ivanhu lama but they don't eat pork.
Yes, yeah.
Russia, whichever hole. End up with Ethiopia. Listen, you can't teach us to do your ways of Rastafari in Jamaica. Kuru, Mahaile Selassie. From Jamaica, though, Madimbo Terror, Jadno Itawe Sus. Because those Hanyama. Kuru Zumba. Conquering land of 12 tribes of Judah.
Judah. Judah G.
From there. Ibanjes. And Maribaba, when God asked Solomon, I can give you anything, but I don't know wisdom. And someone put him back to the phone as Apa. Kalakura Commissioner Maten Neni, it can give you wisdom, the herb of wisdom. And if you put on the Sharumbra spam, put a scar. And so that's got bad.
Some no put a banjeri.
And Pamtupo Angum, Chaman of Mitski. Because Buddha, Panaputa, Panaputa Chikar.
Chijo.
Lion warrior guy, you must not please that. Come Hondoro, Shumba give love, person walk in, can go there. As I'm rabbits of Vama, but don't smoke it like a cigarette. What could I come home Namato? The herb of wisdom. I was best. I remeditation. Could I come home Namate? one on one with God.
Saka kuEngland nekunoku munozvona sei nekuZimbabwe ndekukunogarika zviri nani?
What?
KuEngland nekuZimbabwe kunoku ndekukunogarika zviri nani?
Vasinambofamba ndo vasingazivi unogara kuCanada. Yeah, muno. Quality of life is the best in the world. One of the best countries. Panika pano yose Zimbabwe. Oh, ekakosha. Zimbabwe inosparka.
Yeah.
Uchiri mkaka waziwa pedza masports. Pedza masports.
Yeah, wasata pedza zvedu chimoresa hama neshamwari. Vese vamunoda kumhoresa as many as you can.
Ndikapedza zuva rese.
Aiwa, imbotry mention kana 10 names.
Okay.
Vari muno muZimbabwe nevari kunze kwenyika.
Koma Fred Zindi. Koma Mike Mundwa. Nematara akatisiyawo. Vakandiguruma vakandibatsira. Vamwe vachiri vapenyu vakatisiya. Navanonzi Mai Maria varidza Reggae. To all the person vane rudo. Kune muri yangu yacharumbira. Nese kwaMutare. Mitubo yakasiyana. Ndoti ngatirambe takabatana chidana namuZimbabwe. From Tyre to Harare, Masvingo Bulawayo, let us live with love and let us rise with love. Saka mitubo yese muZimbabwe ndiricharumbira sipambire kumhoresai hama dzangu dzose. Hapana munasiri hama yangu muZimbabwe.
Chipa mangopedza pamaipedza radio iyi mangopedza makupedza kwakuenda news kana language kamaisa paredio
ndambotaura kazvechiningiriki zvechirungu
izvozvo Tyre fast mukoma.
In the beginning God created everything and everything was in Africa. We must always maintain one love.
Thank you so much.
Mira indangoti kuna mamarasta vanhu vedu marasta vanoziva reggae music ngatisimbise ngoma tifamba nangoma jabhiti nawo ngatifambe bhora
uyu mudhara uyu ndakatanga kundisa paredhiyo
saka tikuti ngoma vanhu ngatindezi